Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to animate text in DaVinci Resolve. Create stunning text animation DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So first, to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device and open the project when you want to animate the text in DaVinci Resolve. So let's add a clip first here onto the timeline so that we should have a background for the text. So let's drag and drop it in there. So let's click onto this one so that we should move this here to position this correctly. Right after, we're going to go ahead and try to change the view here. Let's use this one. Click onto this. And right after, we're going to go ahead and add in effects. Click on effects here and head here on titles. So this is where we could go ahead and add in some text onto our clip. So once you're in here on titles and you should be able to see the different text option, we're going to use text plus in here since this is more efficient since we could tweak this one more since this has more settings in here. So we're going to add that one here onto our video. So we're going to add this one here onto the upper part of the video. So as you can see, it should go ahead and show something like this. So let's click onto that one. And as you can see here onto the right side, there is a setting so that we could edit the text. So if you're not seeing this, click on inspector in here. So we're going to change this and we're going to add here sample text. So if you scroll down here, you should be able to change the font for that. So feel free to choose the font that you want to use. For example, we want to use this one. Let's change the color as well. So we're going to change this to red. Click on OK. And to add in the animation, we're going to use in here this diamond icons here onto the right side. So for example, we want to go ahead and make this one bigger. So onto the starting of a video, we're going to add a keyframe here. Now, we're going to move on to the part where we want to stop the video or the text to zoom in. So onto this part, we're going to add another keyframe and we're going to go ahead and adjust the size to make this bigger, just like this. Now, if you do a quick preview, this is now how the video should look like. So as you can see, the text is zooming in here and it's adding a zoom in effect onto the animation. So let's remove that one out. Another cool thing that we could do in here is to go ahead and add in the tracking. So let's add a keyframe here onto the first part. Let's remove that. Add a keyframe here. And if we add tracking in here, so let's move this over here. So add another keyframe on tracking. And then we're going to make this bigger just like that. So if you do a quick preview, this is now how the clip or text should look like. And lastly, for the last animation that we have in here, if you want to go ahead and try to have the text being written out, so there is also a step for that. Let's scroll down and we have write on in here. So do the same thing. Add a diamond icon here first onto the first part of the video and up until the part where you want to go ahead and have the text fully shown. So we're gonna add another one in here. So onto the first one here, let's remove all of that. And as you can see, if we play this, it should go ahead and write out the text just like this. And that is how easy you could animate text in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.